Introduction. Zombies have been a popular subject in the realm of fiction for decades, but what if they were real? If zombies existed, what would their biology look like? In this recording, we will explore the hypothetical biology of a zombie. We will consider the various ways that a zombie could come to be, and what changes would occur in its body to create the iconic undead creature that we all know and fear. Origins of zombies. Before we can delve into the biology of a zombie, we must first consider the various ways that such a creature could come into existence. There are many fictional accounts of how zombies are created, ranging from supernatural curses to viral outbreaks. In the real world, however, it is unlikely that zombies could come to be through supernatural means. Therefore, we will focus on the possibility of a viral outbreak. If a virus were to cause the zombie outbreak, it would likely be a new strain of a known virus, rather than a completely new virus altogether. The virus would likely be spread through bodily fluids, such as blood or saliva. Once infected, the virus would begin to replicate rapidly in the host's body, causing a wide range of symptoms. Changes in the body. As the virus begins to take hold in the body, a number of changes would occur. First and foremost, the virus would attack the brain, causing a range of neurological symptoms. These symptoms would include confusion, loss of coordination, and eventually loss of consciousness. Once the host is unconscious, the virus would continue to replicate, causing the body to undergo a number of physical changes. The skin would become pale and discolored due to reduced blood flow. The eyes would also become cloudy and opaque due to changes in the composition of the fluids in the eye. The zombie's muscles would also undergo significant changes. The virus would cause the muscles to contract and stiffen, making movement difficult and jerky. This would give zombies their iconic slow, lumbering gait. Changes in metabolism. One of the most notable changes that would occur in a zombie's body is a drastic reduction in metabolic activity. Zombies do not need to breathe, eat, or drink, as their bodies no longer require these things to function. Instead, zombies rely on stored energy to fuel their movements. This reduction in metabolic activity would have a number of consequences. Firstly, zombies would not need to sleep. This means that they would be active at all times, increasing the potential danger that they pose to living humans. Secondly, the lack of need for food or water means that zombies would be virtually indestructible, as they would not die of starvation or dehydration. Finally, the reduction in metabolic activity would mean that zombies would not produce any waste products such as urine or feces. This means that zombies would not spread disease through their bodily fluids, as they do not have any. Conclusion. In conclusion, the biology of a zombie is a fascinating subject to consider. If zombies were to exist, they would likely be the result of a viral outbreak, causing a range of neurological and physical symptoms. Zombies would have a pale, discolored appearance due to reduced blood flow. Their muscles would also be stiff and jerky, causing slow, lumbering movements. Perhaps most notably, zombies would have a drastically reduced metabolic rate, allowing them to survive without food, water, or sleep. This would make them virtually indestructible and extremely dangerous to living humans. While zombies may only exist in the realm of fiction, considering their biology is a fascinating exercise in speculative biology.